G. Agustin from CREA 1-5. This video presentation is all about chemistry. At the end of this video, these are the objectives. Describe the interdisciplinary nature of chemistry. Second, familiarize the different fields and branches of chemistry. First, interdisciplinary nature of chemistry. Studies involves the combination of two or more disciplines. It draws knowledge from several other fields like ecosystem. Ecosystem is living organisms in a specific environment. Second, physics is the study of energy to show how things move. Third, meteorology. Events include like fog, rain, tornadoes, weather or changes in the earth. Fourth, sociology is the study of human and social relationships and institution, action, and consciousness. Fifth, psychology is the study of mind and behavior and cognitive process. Sixth, politics is all about making agreements between people, groups such as tribes or countries. 7. Economics, goods and services. And lastly, chemistry that deals within the properties, composition, and structure of substances defines as elements and compounds and the transformation they undergo. The 5 branches of chemistry. First, organic chemistry is the study of the structure, properties, composition, reactions, and preparation of carbon-containing compounds. Most compounds contain at least one: carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. Second, inorganic chemistry. It deals with the synthesis and behavior of inorganic and organometallic compounds. This field covered chemical compounds and that are not carbon-based, which are the subjects of organic chemistry. Analytical chemistry studies and uses instruments and methods used to separate, identify, and qualify matter. It practices separation, identification, or qualification, may constitute and enter analysis or be combined with another method. Separation isolates analysis. Fourth, biochemistry or biological chemistry is the study of chemical process within and relating of living organisms. A sub-discipline of both chemistry and biology may be divided into 3 fields: structural biology, enzymology, and metabolism. Fifth, physical chemistry is the study of microscopic and particulate phenomena in chemical systems in terms of the principles, practices, and concepts of physics such as motion, energy, force, time, chemistry, statistical mechanics, analytical dynamics, and chemical equilibrium. That 5 branches of chemistry is contributed to the growth of chemistry. Biology and chemistry. Chemical biology deals with how chemistry can be applied to solve biological problems, while biochemistry is the study of chemistry of biology. In general, chemical biology major focuses on small molecules, while the biochemistry major focuses on proteins and nucleic acids. Chemistry and technology. The innovative products of chemistry leads cutting-edge advancements, applied technology, and medical devices, telescope, computing, cars, fuels, lights, and more. That's what chemistry enables: technological advancements that drive innovation, create jobs, and enhance safety in our everyday lives. The importance of chemistry and technology is the everyday life that changes. Examples include leaves changing colors, cooking food, and getting yourself clean. Knowing some chemistry can help you to make day-to-day decisions that affects your life. And lastly, pharmaceutical chemistry is concerned with the design and synthesis of biologically active molecules. The aim is to gain new chemical molecules that could enable the discovery of new pharmaceuticals or optimize already known drug structures, thereby to expand the portfolio of chemical drugs. Involves cure and remedies for disease, analytical techniques, pharmacology, metabolism, quality assurance, and drug chemistry. Environment can promote the natural development of antibiotic-resistant pathogens that are harder to treat. The pollution of pharma products into the environment also adversely affects animals, particularly fish living in contaminated water. That's all for today. Thank you for watching!